Let's take another question from True North Aviation. At 10 hours, an aircraft is on the 310 radial from a viewer DME at 10 nautical mile range. At 10:10, the radial and the ranges are 040 10 nautical mile. What is the aircraft track and ground speed? These are the options. Let's make a simple diagram from this. This is your viewer DME station. Okay. At 10 hours, aircraft is on 310 radial. The aircraft at 10 hours, the aircraft is on 310 radial. So this is, for example, 310 degree, and the time is 10 hours, and the range is 10 nautical mile. This range is 10 nautical mile. At 10:10, the radial and the range are 040. 10:10, the radial is 040. 040, and this is 10, time is 10:10, and the distance is 10 nautical mile. Okay. What is the track? What is the track of the aircraft? What is the track of the aircraft and ground speed? So you have to find, the aircraft is going like this. The aircraft is going like this. This distance is covered in 10 minutes. Okay, so you have to find the track of this track, and what is the speed, and speed. What is speed? You have to find this. Okay, let's find the angles. This radial is 310, so the angle, this angle, this is the 360. Okay, 360 or 0 degree north. This angle is 310, so this angle will be 50 degree. 310 is 360. 360 minus 310, this angle will be 50 degree. Okay. How much is this angle? This angle will be 40 degree. First of all, you have to find this track. For finding this track, you should know this angle. What is this angle? You have to find this angle. For finding this angle, you should know this angle. Okay. This angle is 50. This you have to find. What is this angle? Let's make. This is 50. This is 40. This is a 90 degree angle. So this triangle is right triangle. For right triangle, and these two sides are equal. Okay, so this is isosceles right triangle. So this is 90, so this angle will be 45. This angle will be 45. So 45, 50. How much is this angle? This angle will be 180 degree minus 45 plus 50. This is equal to 95. The angle will be 85. So this angle is 85. When this angle is 85, this angle is 85. Your track is 85. So your track is 85. First answer you have got 85. Either B or D. Okay. Second answer. What is the ground speed? How will you find the ground speed? Okay. You have to find this distance. What is this distance? How much is this distance? This distance is, because it's a Pythagoras, by using Pythagoras right triangle, this you know 10 nautical mile, this you know 10 nautical mile. So this distance will be equal to, this is A, B, C. So BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. which is equal to 10 square plus 10 square. This 10 square, 10 square. This is equal to 100 plus 100, 200, or BC will equal to square root of 200. This will come out, you can use the calculator. This will come out 14.14 nautical mile. Okay, so this distance is 14.14 nautical mile, and time, 10 minutes. So you can easily find ground speed. Ground speed is equal to distance upon time. Speed is equal to, the distance is 14.14 nautical mile. Time is 10 minutes. You have to convert into hour, because speed is also in the knots. So this will come out 85 knots. This is your answer. Okay, so B is your answer.